Welcome to OIS Gold, the first ever AI solution in the world that replicates the precise human jewelry retouching. And in this video, I want to show you cases where all you need to use is just OIS Gold or a minor retouch for like a couple of minutes, no more. And let's go straight to the photo and see what I mean. So here we have our photo. This is the earring. And let's look closely at it. It has imperfections in the color of the metal. We got some problem spots here. We also have the stain, very weird stain. The link is not also even, it has some texture in that welding stitch. The chain itself is grainy, really grainy. Here it's out of focus, and the same thing is happening on the second part of the earring. We have stains here. Look, we have stains or shadows, whatever this is, and everything is quite grainy. So we take this photo, upload it to OIS.gold website, and we get this result. So look, the before and after, the before and after. And I want to mention that this photo was not retouched. It was not pre-retouched. So we are seeing the raw file, but converted to JPG format. So if you were to retouch this photo just a little bit before uploading it to OIS Gold, the results would be even better. So again, this is before and this is after. So let's look here. The metal is now looking amazing. Look at this, the pure pixel perfect gradients, colors, everything is really, really, really nice compared to how it looked like. For example, this part. Look, boom. And again, wow, just wow. Look at this pure, this part looks like a real mirror compared to that part. Especially there was some like artifact or something else, whatever this is. So obviously we have some shadows that should be manually corrected before uploading to OIS Gold. But if you were to edit them, obviously you would have gotten a different result, the way you want. But for now, we see that all the grainy spots, especially here, look how bad it looks like. Now it's gone, and it looks really nice. Look at the chain. It looks pixel perfect with like minor blemishes that are left to retouch. But look, that was before. And this is after. How gorgeous it looks like. Especially the blurred part. Look. It's just amazing. And look at all these parts around the... See, around the empty spaces. It looks way better. Even the shadows are not grainy. So, and let's go to the second ring, part of the earring, the second element. And look how it looked like. This part was really bad. The tip looked really bad. Everything is grainy. We got some stains, scratch, whatever this is here, and the link. This link doesn't look really nice at all. And boom, look how gorgeous. Just think about it, how like in less than half a minute, you got this result. All you're left to work on is shadows, and actually it would be better to work in the shadows, like roughly working them before uploading to OIS Gold. So you could get the perfect result, and that's it, and the work would have been done. So with that said, I hope you understand that there are some like, I hope you saw that there are a lot of cases where you will be using OIS.gold without even sometimes retouching the photo at all. If the raw file is really good and you just need to remove some scratches, stains, some minor imperfections, but the shadows and reflections are in place, they will be enhanced and all the imperfections will be removed, meaning that the work will be done for you 100%. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was quite short, deliberately, so you could see just that with some specific photos, you can achieve with OIS.gold results that would have taken you some time, at least 30 minutes. But now it takes less than a minute. So, see you in the next videos and have a good day.